to do unboxing for something I ordered from Saudi Arabia. You will see now. This is from an account on Instagram, and also she has her website and called Majd Studio, and she is an artist, illustrator, and she has her online courses, and also she has her lines. And the thing that I order is brushes, watercolor brushes. Yes, I don't need any brushes anymore, but when I saw her brushes and I saw how she use it and how other people, use it, and with, when I mean using it, like there is something special in these brushes that I don't have. Yes, and I have to get it. The thing is, now let me show you her, the unboxing. Anyway, she sent it to me. No, she didn't send it to me. I bought it and she sent it through DHL, so it took 8 days to come here to USA. And the brushes is I'm gonna write how much in dollars, and yeah. So I really like her packaging. So I ordered two things. First is the brushes. I'm gonna show it to you, and my daughter, she's helping me. And the other thing is a pen. I'm going to leave her links below, her Instagram account and her, her website if you wanna check, other products, because she has like laptop bags, bags, and some things for planner and stickers. Yeah. What's really special in her brushes that they have their, the brush tip is really pointy. And this is, I couldn't believe, because even my brushes, I have, high brand, brushes, but still when you color, put them in the water, they will be flat somehow, unless you're gonna buy, like a small brushes size, you see. And I couldn't believe when even I put it in the water, because I'm going to try it now in a different occasions. It's absolutely amazing, and it remains the same, this sharp pointy, I don't know what you call it. So yeah, let me show you. The last thing is the pen, button in Arabic. أنا فنان وأصنع الجمال. I am an artist and I make beautiful things, and I really like it. Okay, so here I'm going to draw some flowers. I'm not an artist by any means, but I really like, let's say, practice or something. So here I'm going to use my Shiminka watercolors pen set, and I have here the brushes. After I finish everything, I really like, again, I'm not an artist, so don't laugh at my drawings. I really love this sharp pointy. I mean, it's really good for drawing, which she's an artist, and also for calligraphy. I'm horrible at calligraphy, but if you like, to write some stuff, again, this sharp point edge, I don't know what you call it, it's absolutely amazing. It will not break from you. And here also I'm going to color this image is by Create a Smile, and I have also this by Simon Says Stamps, and last one is also by Simon Says Stamp, because I like to color more than draw. amazed with these brushes, and now let's do like a comparison so you can understand what I mean exactly when I see with this sharp with this sharp point, it will not break from you. Here, okay, here also after I swatch some colors, it's still the same, still in a sharp point. And I will show you now two other brushes. It's a high brand like a silver brush and a Skoda brushes. You see how they are scattered, even though I wash them and I clean them, they are extremely good. But again, I'm talking about this point that I'm missing in these two brushes. And also I'm going now to wet them, color with them, and still you will not find this, what do you call it? This sharp point. You see, it's like this. This is, of course, this is a hair, nature hair, I think. This one, the synthetic one, but I really like how it worked. So this is after I put it in a water, and I have really to, give it a big shake so I can, maintain, so the brushes can, all be in one point. So this is how it looks. Same with Skoda, I think. Yeah, so this is what I'm talking about. So yeah, again, I'm so happy with it. I wish that I bought two sets instead of one, but hopefully next time. Yes, so thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm going to leave the links and everything in the description box. Bye, guys.